Hi, I'm Caleb Wright. I'm the Director of Wine Production at Armstrong Valley Vineyard and Winery located in Halifax, Pennsylvania. We're a boutique winery that makes small batch wines from grapes that come out of our own 20 acres of vineyards. Today, we're in the kitchen thanks to PA Preferred, and we're gonna be making a white wine sangria, perfect for hosting any summertime party. We're gonna be starting and utilizing our estate-grown Pinot Grigio today. Any white wine that has some nice, bright, fresh acidity is gonna be perfect for this recipe. We're going to use some green Pennsylvania apples, something with some crispness and some sharpness would be preferred, a lemon, and a couple of limes. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna place the fruit into the pitcher. For a little bit of sweetness, we're gonna use about half a cup of sugar. If you want to, you can easily use local honey, or if you wanna add a little more alcohol to it, you could use some triple sec or maybe some Grand Marnier to add some additional flavors. But for today's purposes, we're gonna use about half a cup of sugar. The Pinot Grigio that we're gonna be using today naturally has flavors of apple and citrus, such as lemon and lime. So it's gonna really add to the characteristics and flavors of the fruit that we're using here today. It's also gonna have some nice bright acidity to it, which is gonna make it super refreshing for the white wine sangria. To our pitcher, we're gonna add about 3/4 of a cup of Pennsylvania white rum, and then we're gonna top it off with some sparkling lemon lime soda or soda water, whatever you'd prefer. We're gonna give it a small stir just to make sure that everything's integrated. Then put this in the fridge and make sure that it's nice and chilled and ready to serve. Ensuring that our sangria is chilled means that whenever we go to serve it to our guests, we won't have to put any ice into the glass, which will eventually just water down the sangria and completely changing that flavor profile. So whenever we're ready to serve, we're gonna grab, in our case, a stemless wine glass, put a couple of apple slices in the bottom just for a little bit of cool visibility. Garnish with a sprig of mint, just for a little pop of color and a little summer flair. Perfect, it's like summer in a glass. We're proud to be able to offer bottles of wine that come from the grapes that we grow in our own vineyards, making us a truly estate-grown winery. It's been a fun time here in the kitchen today. Thanks so much, PA Preferred, for having us. We hope to see you in our tasting room at Armstrong Valley Winery in Halifax, Pennsylvania sometime soon. Cheers.